In this video, let's talk about how to use Coinbase Institutional feature. Now, in order to use the Coinbase's institutional tools, you'll need to use the Coinbase Institutional, which is a separate portal, or you could also use it via the Coinbase Prime. So either search for Institutional or Coinbase Prime into a web browser. Head over to this web portal where you'll need to onboard, which means set up your account. You'll need to submit your corporate documents, including your proof of legal existence, as well as ownership, as well as government details. You'll need to complete the KYC, as well as the anti-money laundering features or the verification that is available, or that must be completed within this section. Also, something similar needs to be done for the Prime as well. If you search for Coinbase Prime, you need to deposit or on-ramp a fiat USDT capital, as well as USDT can be deployed instantly across multiple blockchains. So this is the exact way on how you can do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.